Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today we're looking at how to start affiliate marketing with a blog or a website. And look, if you have no idea about affiliate marketing or websites at all, please don't worry, because in this video I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about this whole process. But look, affiliate marketing with a blog or a website, it's a very simple process, and I have a number of these niche blogs and niche websites in specific categories whereby I've created content like over on this website over here, like over on this one here. And what happens is I've created the content once, and now that content is over on Google and the different search engines, and I'm getting visitors to those websites, and I earn commissions every single day from work that I did previously. Now, in terms of this, the first part of the whole process is obviously you would need a blog or a website. So you've got two options. Over on my blog here, this Not Taught at School, come over to blogging, and I've wrote an in-depth article of how to start a website step by step. This video's on there as well. It's not difficult. The other resource I've got for you, if you don't want to, start your own and go through this, you can come over to this website over here, and it's called Wealthy Affiliate. You can start with this, and again I'll drop a link to this below for you. And this one here, it will show you not only how to create this, but look, what I like about this is they will give you two websites for free. You don't need any skills for this, and literally the process takes less than 30 seconds to build a beautiful looking mobile and revenue ready website. This website here, they will show you how to drive traffic. They also integrate with Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and many more platforms. There's training included in here and lots more. So this is free, by the way, so you can go over here, create a website for free. They'll show you how to drive traffic. Now, the one thing that puts people off when it comes to creating, a blog or a website is, creating content, because, they don't know, that maybe don't know much information about the product. They don't know how to create content the correct way or the right way, or C, they just can't be bothered and are a bit lazy like me. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So we've looked at setting up our website, whether we're doing this on our own or whether we're partnering with a company like this one over here. Okay, once we've done that, we first of all we need to decide on a category or a niche, because we want to find products which we're going to recommend inside of our content over here, for example. So if we go to, like, say, tools, inside of our content, we want to obviously be dropping links to different affiliate products. Now, we can send this over to platforms like Amazon, we can send them over to Etsy, eBay. You can even be more specific about this and send them over to products over on like a platform like ClickBank here. So you see on ClickBank here, this is free, by the way, it's a huge affiliate network. On the left hand side, you have all of these categories, so you can go into any of these. So if I go in here, for example, and let's just say, let's just say dental health, for example. Say we was creating a website around this. Look at this one here, unique dental spray offer. So if I wanted to, have a look at this, I simply click on this here. It opens up the page. You can check this out and find out, more information about this product here. If you're happy with this and you want to promote this, you'd simply click on promote, and you click on generate hop link. And you can see on here, you earn 65% commissions for everyone who you refer to this product. So this here would be your affiliate link, okay? So that's simple. So we have a blog or a web, we'll just go with blog. We have a blog, we have a category or a niche that we're going to create content around. In this example, this dental one. We've got products that we're going to promote. The next part of it is the hard part, which is creating the content. So you see all of this here. However, as you know, on this channel, I like to share things which are simple and easy. So, if I come over here, you see all this information on here. This is, what is this? The perfect smile. So, we would start creating content, and then inside of our content, we would, obviously link out to these affiliate products here. So for me, I use a piece of software. And look, I'm going to drop a link to this down below for you, because you can try this out for free for 10,000 words, and then after the trial it goes onto a paid plan and you can decide on which one you want. But here's the cool thing, after you've used this and you've used the 10,000 words, if you don't want to continue with it, you don't have to. It literally just goes away. If you want to, you continue with this. But I use this platform here for everything. I mean, literally everything. So you can see on here, I could come up with blog post topic ideas, an outline, post into a paragraph. I can even take an existing piece of content and improve it. So there's lots I can do in here. You can also use this for email, websites, social media, and lots more. But let me show you why I use and I recommend this, just because of the simplicity of this. So if we go back to templates, I'm going to come into all and I'm going to click on this here. Okay, I'm going to click on start from scratch. Now watch just how simple and easy this is. So sorry, I'm going to go back here actually. I'm going to click on new and I'm going to click on blog post workflow. So basically, look, describe the content you want to create. So I want to create a blog post about, copy that, I'm going to go back over here and paste that in there, about a blog post about simple, I'm going to put ways to maintain your perfect smile. Okay, and I literally click on continue. Like now it will say a title. Do I want to create my own, or do I want the software to create one for me? Again, I'm just going with the quickest and the easiest option here because I don't want to spend all day doing this. So look, simple ways to maintain your perfect smile. So you can go through and pick any of these. So I mean, look, 10 easy ways to maintain. Yeah, we'll go with that one. Okay, use this one. Do I want to write my own intro? No, I don't. I want the software to do it. So I click on intro paragraph. It's going to give me an introduction to the actual article, okay? And again, you have options on here. So look, you can go through and use any of these. If you don't like them, you can generate more ideas. So let's look at this. It's important to take care of your teeth and keep them healthy. In this blog post, we'll discuss 10 easy, okay? Sounds good. Okay, I'm going to click on open editor. So look, this is the start of my article. So look, it's important, 1, 2, now over here, this is my title. This is a brief. I can include keywords if I want. I can also change the output from short, medium, or longer. So for now, I'll just leave it on medium, okay? I'm going to click on here, and down here, I'm just going to click on compose. And again, I'm not even touching it. It literally runs on its own, okay? So look, number of words, 200 words so far. This will be a long post. Okay, that's great. That's just what I want, okay? So now we're going to go on to number 3. So I will literally just do that. And again, I will click on compose, and look, here we go again, and you can see here this is just the article for us, and literally this is the process that we do. Just let me change that to chances. So you can see on here it reads incredibly well. It's pretty thorough, I think you'll agree. So we'll go through, and basically inside of here, so this is our article. Inside of here, once we've created our article and we put this over onto our blog or our website, we then simply include our affiliate links that we found over on ClickBank or different platforms. This is awesome. As you can see here, using this software here, it takes little to no time. I can just whiz through and create a hell of a lot of content with this. I can then use what they teach inside of this platform here, this wealthy affiliate, to attract more traffic over to my blog. I can partner up with many more different companies. But as you've seen here, it works incredibly quick. It's simple and it's easy. And using the link down below, you can use this and get 10,000 words completely for free. So even after, as I've mentioned, even after the trial, the 10,000 words that you've used and created on here, they're yours. So they're not going to take them back from you. So this software here, I'll drop links to everything I've mentioned below for you. But essentially, this here is how we go ahead and we create affiliate marketing blogs, because we just pick a category or a niche like I've done over on this one here or this one. I'll then find products to promote, and again you can do that on Amazon, eBay, you can do that on platforms like ClickBank, many more. You can share a sale, all of these. Once we've got all of that done, we're onto the part which is creating content, and using a piece of software like this, it just makes it incredibly simple and easy, and you can just whiz through this and get a lot of content done really quick, and you can get this up on the search engines. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please leave a comment or a like the video. I genuinely appreciate that. If you've got any comments or questions, please let me know. But look, this is a simple way that you can make money with affiliate marketing. If you want more ways, you can simply go over to my blog and check out articles here. I've also got a free affiliate marketing course down below. I've got many more free resources available for you. So look, thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.